Welcome to Factoring by these guys. Okay, factoring an equation in standard form. First, you have to find out what AC is. Since A is 1 and C is 12, we get 12. Factoring that, we would get 6 and 2, or in this case, negative 6 and negative 2. Plug that into the two binomials, getting x minus 6 times x minus 2, and then FOIL them to check your answer. Come out to x squared minus 6x minus 2x plus 12. Check.
That was a pathetic check.
Okay, trying another one. After finding out that AC was negative 60, you have to find out the factors, which come out to 15 and negative 4, which equal 60, added together equal 11. Plug that into an equation. Let's factor it out. 3x being the greatest common factor. And negative 4 being the greatest common factor of that one. Simplify everything out. Okay, last one in standard form. Now, we don't like negatives as our a, so let's take that negative 1 out, leaving us with 4x squared minus 14x plus 6. Find AC would be 24. Let's factor 24. There we go, 12 and 2. Nah. Yeah, there we go. Let's plug this into our equation. Leaving us with 4x times x minus 3. Oh, of course, with the negative 1 over there. Minus 2 times x minus 3. Leaving us with negative 1 times, of course, 4x minus 2 times x minus 3. Okay, now let's deal with finding the x-intercepts of an equation. Now this equation is a trinomial, but it's not set. It's not standard form. It's set equal to 0. Basically, what you would do first is solve it as you would any other equation set in standard form. Factor the negative 12. Plug it into the binomials. And set that equal to 0. Since each one on its own would equal 0, solve each of the binomials on their own set equal to 0. Leaving you with x equals 6 and x equals negative 2. Okay, now let's solve the x-intercepts where factoring is just not going to work. Here, we would just easily plug it into the calculator. Already plugged in. Let's zoom in on this calculator right here. Use the trace function to find the right side of the graph and find the right side x-intercept. In this case, being 1. So I can write that down right there. Now let's go back and find the left side x-intercept. X would equal negative 2.6. And that's how you find the x-intercepts using a calculator.
Go.
Now, if you don't want to factor and you don't want to use a calculator, there's this handy-dandy thing called the quadratic formula. First, let's set this equation equal to 0. And we'll just plug it into the formula. So first start off with a negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4a, which is 3, and c, which is 8, negative 8.
You forgot the negative 8.
Plus or minus square root of 121.
Okay, so it's...
Simplify that further.
Okay, what's this stuff?
4ac is 96. Plus, it's plus 96.
I don't know, like, for
Six.
she gave, like, I know exactly what
Negative 5 plus or minus.
This is more for me.
Simplify even further. Square root of 121 over 6.
Which is
5
11.
into negative 5 plus or minus.
I know what I am talking about. I mean, I can help you here, but I...
And then solve for x.
And say, look, she's asking for
There's going to be two answers, since it's a plus or minus.
Also,
So negative 5 plus 11 and negative 5 minus 11.
X equals negative 5 minus 11 over 6. Negative 16 over 6. And that's it?
Negative 8 over 3.
Negative 8 over 3.
Circle that.
strategy
Giving you both of your answers.
for that.
Alright, so what do we do if you just want to know how many solutions the problem has? Well, you would evaluate the discriminant. The discriminant is just that part of the quadratic formula that says square root of b squared minus 4ac. So, a is 4, b is negative 2, and c is negative 10. Plug that into the discriminant. And simplify that out further. Now, if your discriminant comes out to be a positive number, you're going to have two solutions. If it's 0, you only have 1, and if it's negative, you will only have 0. Real solutions, of course. Since this is the square root of 164, it'll come out to a positive number, giving you two solutions. And that's all for us. Thanks for watching.
Wait.
What is that saying?
Alright, that's the answer.
What?
Wait, huh? Say what now? Wait, what do I do?